Hello friends, in our last video we were talking about data warehouse. Now what is the structure of data warehouse? One of the primary methods of designing a data warehouse is dimensional modeling. So the two key elements of dimension modeling includes facts and dimension. For example, you listen, you are working in the organization like Flipkart or Amazon and they have asked to identify the products that are not profitable in the electronic segment of rural Uttar Pradesh, and that is due to the high cost of transportation. You have to access sales database from various districts, various production information, order information, that means of transformation use, customer information system and many other databases you have to access for that question. Before loading data into data warehouses, we should know the structure. What is the structure of the data warehouse? The structure means table, data, what should be data structure. This process is known as structure of data warehouse. Two key elements are used there, dimension and facts, which are basically the different types of variables that are used to design a data warehouse. They are arranged in a specific manner known as schema diagram. First of all, we go to the facts. What are facts? Basic numeric data is facts which we want to analyze. In general, these are numerical data which are facts variable, like investment data file. We raised fund from for a particular product. Company data file, company total funding. These are the facts. Now, what is dimension? First, several facts data makes a fact variables makes a fact table. Now, what is dimension? Facts are numeric data in a data warehouse, and dimensions is not the numeric data, but dimension gives the information about the fact data. Fact data is nothing about without dimension data. Dimension variable add life to the fact variable. For example, company sector, which are company sector is this, like mobile analytics. What is the company name? What is the investor name? These all are known as dimension. Without these dimension variables, facts variables are meaningless, because facts are numerical data in a data warehouse and dimension are the metadata attached to the facts variable. Both facts and dimension are equally important for generating actionable insights from a data set. So we can understand there are two important things, facts and dimension. Facts are numerical data. If we want quantity of any data, how much, then we give the information about fact. But for which we are asking for without info of the facts, like we are raising fund about which company, for which company, that gives the about from dimension. So dimension gives information the sector, about which sector we are talking about which company, about which investor, but the numeric data is fact. So there is no information without fact variables. Dimension variables are metadata to the fact variables. So if we have a numeric data like 40,000 USD dollar, for which company, from where, why we are raising, all these information are dimension, and that numeric data is the facts data. So both of them create a table, both of them create a data warehouse, both of them gives the information to a user, to end user, to customers, what are the things going on, what are the summary, so how we can analyze the things. So this is all about facts and dimension. Thank you friends, thank you so much. I hope you got the information. If you have any kind of doubt, please message me. Thank you friends.